right, so I am going to show you today the Hernando model. Here, it's actually here in Crosswater, but at least you can see what the house looks like. See this big palm tree? And the house is even bigger. It's beautiful. Let's go inside. All right, so this is a typical community here in Florida, in Nocatee. So again, the Hernando model. This would be the garage. You have a little area where you can put a couple of chairs and a little table. And then you would go inside and you would see a beautiful grand ceiling, 20-foot ceiling right when you come in. And then you would go straight. You have a nice little hallway here with a closet big enough to put shoes, jackets, cleaning supplies, whatever you feel. And you have beautiful windows providing lots of natural light. A great, beautiful kitchen. This one is wide. It has a gas cooktop, the microwave above the oven, and then beautiful cabinets. Okay, this one was not soft close, but you can definitely buy cabinets that are soft close, which means it's an upgrade. When you close them, they don't bang, but they actually close very softly. That's an upgrade. So this would be the island. Big enough for 2 or 3 chairs, and then you have a nice dining room set up right here in front of this window, just before you enter the living room. And then you have the living room here with 2 large windows and a door that leads to the lanai. This lanai is beautiful. It's actually big compared to some other lanais. It's paved, screened in, and they have like another beautiful sitting arrangement over there. Just to give you some ideas, you could do something like this. If you don't want a pool, you have the AC right there. Let's go back inside. So this is what the house looks like. And then you would go over here to the left. You have half a bathroom for guests. And the master bedroom, very nice size. Beautiful ceiling, high ceiling with a tray. You have a huge shower, rain shower, 2 sinks. And again, white cabinets, gorgeous tile floors. And you have half a bath here, which is separate with a window and a closet. Very nice closet. Another linen towel closet here. And you have a pocket door right there. So you don't have a real door, just like a beautiful pocket door, which is great. You can still have some privacy in the bathroom, and yet you don't have a huge door going inward or outward, which is really nice. We have a pocket door as well. So this is the master again, with 1 window and then a couple more there. And then you come out here. This is again tile flooring. This is the pantry, I think. Yeah. It's not a walk-in pantry, but the shelves are pretty deep, so lots of space. And again, kitchen, dining room, and living room all in one. Very open This one is the laundry room with a window, which is very cute. I love natural light. This, I believe, is the exit to the garage, but because there's an office right now with the sales agents, they closed it up just because this is a model. So again, beautiful grand entrance. Another beautiful window for natural light, and then you go upstairs and you have another little window here to look outside, and you can have nice soft carpet, or you can choose to have wooden stairs. You same thing here, you can have a wooden floor, or you can have a nice soft carpet. This is considered a sitting area, loft, game room, whatever you want to call it, or a playroom for the kids. Here to your left you have one bedroom with one window and a nice size closet, and then you have 3 more bedrooms here with a bathroom, 2 sinks. Here's one more bedroom, and here's one more bedroom. And the reason why the ceiling is open is because they want to show you how well insulated Providence homes are. They have very, very good insulation, and their marketing is here. So attics are so cool that even a chocolate bunny will not melt. So very well constructed house with lots of insulation, and great designs. So this is a Providence Hernando model. So here's the attic actually, where you can open it up and the stairs comes down, and you can even use it as additional storage for Christmas trees or Christmas boxes you can store in your attic. Very, very convenient. All right, so this completes our tour of the Hernando model by Providence. One more quick peek, and if you have any questions, let me know. Veronica at 904-808-3737. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye guys.